morning. My name is Nihal Singh and I am from Proud Technologies. Today I am going to give you the demonstration on Chief Judge Panel. So this is the login screen of Chief Judge Panel, and you need to give the user ID and password of Chief Judge Panel. The user ID is JDG600162 and the password is So after filling the username and password, just click on the sign in button. When you click on the sign in button, you will get into the login panel of Chief Judge. Alright, and this is the dashboard of Chief Judge panel. So once you logged in, you get the dashboard of Chief Judge panel where you can see the calendar and what this calendar shows. For example, like I am a judge and I am the user of e-court software management system, and this calendar will show how many cases are for the hearing. For example, like today, as you can see that if I have a case on 25th of February, then it will show the case on 25th of February. So I can see all my cases on the calendar. If I have any case in the month of February or March or January, anything, so it will show all the cases here below the calendar, right? And today cases for approval 1. It means there is only one case for approval. Old cases for approval 2. It means that there are 2 cases which is waiting for the approval. So it is this is the little dashboard of the Chief Judge panel. So let me tell you what is Chief Judge panel. Chief Judge panel is the person once the registrar sends the case to the Chief Judge panel. Chief Judge panel person is the only person who can decide which case can go to the which judge. All right. For example, like we have 3 judges in our court, and every judge has 4 to 5 cases. So I am the person Chief Judge is the person who can decide who is the judge going to handle the case. I'm surely that Chief Judge give the case who has the minimum number of cases. All right, allot the case to the judge who has the minimum number of cases. All right, so here, as you can see that today cases for approval is 1. It means that only one case is waiting for the today's approval. So if you want to see the case details, you can click on the number and automatically you will get all the details of the case. All right, and so this is the case details. This is the case number, this is the case type, this is the petitioner, this is the respondent name, and click to process. If you click to process, automatically it will ask for the judge name. For example, like click to process, I'll click on the link click to process, and alright, so as I told you earlier that Chief Judge can allot the case to the judges. So this case, when I click on to the click to process, this screen will appear, and now it is asking me to allot the case. So I am going to allot the case to the court 1, court 2, court 3. Alright, so on which court I am going to allot the case. So let's take the court 2. I am going to allot this case to the court 2. Alright, when you click on the allot case, alright, case, as you can see here, case allotted successfully. Okay, it is showing that sorry, no details found, because before that the case is here, and when I allot the case to the court number 2, automatically the case move from Chief Judge panel to court judge, right? So now court judge is taking all the decision on the courts. Court judge will hear all the details and all the inquiry of the courts, and after that court judge can take the decision, alright, or he or she can make the decision on the case, alright. So now the case has been moved from chief judge panel to court judge panel. This is the way a case can move from one stage to another stage, alright. So cause list. So what is going on the cause list? We have four cases. We have four tabs. New cases. If we have any cases in the chief judge panel, all the cases will show here. So new cases means if the case is new or old, basically it will show all the cases, because all the cases are new for the chief judge panel. If the case move from chief judge panel to judge panel, then it will a different case, alright. And assigned cases, you can see the case, which case is assigned to the which court, right? And for example, I have moved a case to the court number 2, and if I want to assign the court or I want to update the court, for example, now I want to move the case from court number 2 to court number 1. So definitely yes, I can click on the update court and I can change the court. For example, like court number, I have assigned the case to the court number 2, and the judge of court number 2 already have 7 cases, and the court number 1 judge has only 2 cases. So it is better to allot the case to court number 1. So now I can easily update the case from here, right? So this is the screen. When I click on the update code, this screen will appear, and I can update the code from here, alright. So just cancel the button. And pending cases, if there is any case is pending, so all the cases will see here. You can see all the cases in pending case. Deceased case, if any case is deceased, yes, right now we have 2 cases which comes into the deceased cases, alright. Case diary meaning is same as I told you in our last sessions. This is the calendar where you can you can see all the cases of the judge, of the chief judge panel. Case search, it is working as same as I told you in the last hour session. If you want to search any case, you can search by here, and we already have given some parameters like case number, case root number, case type, sub case type, status, from or to date. So these are the searching parameters. Support. So if you want, if you have any query working as a chief judge panel, so very easily you can give your query to the admin panel of the software, and they can resolve and get back to you as soon as possible. All right. So this is all about the chief judge panel. And we will give you more information about our next panel in our next session. So till then, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.